This is it. This is my turn to build a PC for the glory of the Alliance and the color blue. What, you might ask? Well, I like blue, and the Alliance is blue, and don't you judge me on my color-based decision making. With the release of World of Warcraft, we built 3 stunning WoW-themed PCs to give away. And thanks to ASUS and Patriot for answering the clarion call and sponsoring these builds, I get to create a build worthy of Stormwind. Oh, and stick around until the end of this video, and I'll let you know how you can win this one, and others like it. So let's check out this build together, look at the performance, and see how well it helps us get around Azeroth. And that happens right here, right now, on Robeytech. Welcome to the last of the World of Warcraft Midnight series. We are going to be building the better, more powerful, more beautiful, more stunning Alliance build today. The other thing too is it also has all white parts, which people seem to like. It's got, you know, RGB, and it's gonna look, and it's got, I mean, dude, you gotta give it like the icon at the front. It's just nicer. So it's just gonna, and it floats, right? So in the end, blue is just gonna be better. You guys ready to talk about parts? Let's see what we're putting inside of this very overpowered, far superior Alliance build that we're putting inside of this. So we're gonna start with this. So we're gonna still use the Intel Core Ultra 5 245K. The 250K, by far the better deal, but I already bought all the parts. It's already ready for it and all that sort of stuff. So we're gonna stick with the 245K. For MOBO, we're using a very beautiful build, a very beautiful motherboard, Z890M plus Wi-Fi. It's got Wi-Fi 7. You got BIOS flashback. You've got Core Ultra 200S Plus. You still have APO and all that sort of stuff as well. There's a lot of stuff that you can get out of this just with the fact that it's Z890M. Oh, RAM, and again, huge shout out to Patriot, dude. It's so cool that we actually have sponsors, memory and storage sponsor for this. So Patriot hooked us up with Viper Elite. So this is this is 32 gigs of DDR5, 6200 mega transfer, not quite 6400 mega transfer. And then we also have a 1 terabyte VP4300 Lite. So again, good amount of storage there. And then you've got that little bit of faster RAM, which we should be able to use Core Ultra 200S boost to get to 8000, which will be great. To cool this thing, you know what? Just because we want to flex in the best possible way, why not cool it with the ASUS ROG Ryujin 3 Extreme ARGB? Because for the Alliance, you want nothing but the best. And this is the best, outside of the Ryu 4, which we could have put that in there, but it's got a really nice, pretty screen. It's got a lot of cooling, and if you want to update, you could. For our GPU, what was it that they put inside of what did they put in the Horde build? I think it was a 9060 XT. Well, we're putting a 5070 in, because that 5070 is higher and better than that. So there we are, our ASUS RTX 5070. It does have less VRAM though. So I mean, there's that. It's only got 12 gigs, but it is better. So there it is. That's it right there. And then we're gonna use a new PSU. This is the Prime 750 watt PSU. Yeah, that's right. So much power the Alliance can't lose, just like real world. Just like the real world. But anyway, we got some good parts. You can see Prime on the left, and then we got Prime on the left and right, and then we've got that ROG Ryujin 3 Extreme. But it's gonna be a beautiful build. It's gonna be stunning. Three, two, one. Okay, Alliance out. Okay, and then here's that stunning. There it is right there. We'll put it back. Why don't we do this, right? I'm building relatively quick. I have to finish this PC in 3 hours and 38 minutes. And I don't know why I'm worried about it, but I feel like I should be. Okay, PC MOBO going in. Okay, the IO shield is integrated, so we're good there. Okay, it's in. There we go. Okay, so that's all in. Okay, so we're in good shape, guys. I feel like we're in good shape. For Operation Beat Damien, we're currently winning, I think. But it's still early in the game. Let's see what we gotta do next. I think it's time for the AIO. Okay, so now what we're gonna do the stuff on this side, this direction. Luckily, we only have one cable to worry about here, because these are magnetic, which is always awesome. I know, right? Isn't that nice? We like magnetic.
Very satisfying.
Yes, satisfying. Okay, here we go, guys. There we go. Boom, look at that. Perfecto. I like it. Okay, pull this off, pull this off. We already have our thermal paste on here, which is great.
Not gonna lie, I was watching the Outdoor Boys not too long ago, and he was having moose ribs from a moose that he shot earlier. And
wow,
I was like,
moose
that
ribs?
Would be awesome. But yes.
Okay, there's our AIO installed. Okay, we're looking solid here. They give you a, no, there it is, guys. No anti-sag bracket. Okay. Luckily, this is a pretty light card, but there it is. Okay. That does look good. You know what I'm afraid of? That this PSU...
The dark?
No, that this PSU is gonna black. Yep.
Bot cables? No way.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
We're gonna have to upgrade to the 1200.
We're gonna have to upgrade to a different PSU. Nope, 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 no. We do not compromise when it comes to Coblaze, guys. So we'll go to the RM850E. So we're gonna go to 850 watt PSU, just making it that much better than the Horde build. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now, let's route our GPU. There we go. There it is, guys. That's what the build looks like from the front. It looks pretty dang good, don't you think? Very clean. Okay. There it is. Build is done. Cables look nice and clean down there. I like how actually the swoop even from all these cables is the same. Like even the swoop up here a little bit looks pretty neat. It's got like a similar swoop up for the whole thing. So let's get our parts on here. There we go. There it is right there, guys. Let's get ready to turn this on. I think we're good. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Woo! Look at that! Man, that is a pretty system right there. Man, that is a stunning build, dude. I like the fans. Yeah, it is. The case is actually really good. There it is. What do you think? There it is. Alliance-ish. It's Alliance-ish. It's alive. That looks super good. Color, and now we have that cool blue logo there, Brian. There's the back while we're running the fan stuff. See, her eyes are purple. But it's supposed to be an Alliance build, so I can understand. Okay, so we're now ready to see how the thermals are on this. I expect them to be quite nice. Multiple threads going. Let's see what the temp's gonna get to. It's at 54. Wow, 50, 58, 58, 58. Okay, this is not even gonna get to 60. Okay, that's great. It's not even gonna, yeah. It's, let's just say it runs cool, guys. Look at that. See, it just pulls them right in there from the bottom. Pulls that right through. And it's silent because it's not even trying right now. It's just like, hey! Okay, temps are up to 50. Oh, got to 60, guys. Got to 60. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into here. Let's go ahead and load this up. Okay, we're gonna go. So like, as you can see, performance-wise, we're doing really good. I didn't think that guy was gonna fight me. Okay, so right now, GPU temps are 41 and CPU temps are 37. So there it is, guys. That is the build. And there you have it. That's the Alliance build. I will admit I used a bit more budget on my build than Damien's, but I had to pull out all of the stops to secure the win against the Horde. The Core Ultra 245K and the RTX 5070 inside of this rig not only smash past the recommended specs for World of Warcraft, they also set the machine up for being great outside of World of Warcraft in 1440p titles. And aesthetically, this build is just beautiful. I'm always a sucker for an all-white Arctic build, but between the ASUS Prime components and the custom case design from Blue Horse Studios, this thing, gosh, it looks so awesome. Just like Xalatash, just staring into your soul. Now, if you watched a recap for the Horde build, I do want to throw some recommendations out there in case you were looking to follow this video as a build guide for yourself. The AIO we're using, the ROG Ryujin 3 Extreme, is way overkill for this 245K, so there are two schools of thoughts here. You can either scale back on your CPU cooler, or if you're the type that likes to create headroom for future upgrades, this would work really well for jumping up to a 270K plus or even up to a 285K. Overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Rivalry aside, this was a really fun activity, having Damien out here for the Horde build and just enjoy celebrating the history of World of Warcraft together. We're incredibly grateful to our partners for believing in this vision and coming in clutch for the parts to make these builds happen. And now for the best part, we're giving these away. So how do you win this PC? Well, make sure you're following Robeytech on all your favorite social media platforms so that you know when we go live at twitch.tv/Robeytech. From there, you're gonna wanna make sure your Twitch account is connected to your Stream Elements account. Then you can show up to streams, watch, and earn points to buy tickets for your chance to win this amazing PC. And all of it's covered in our video on giveaways right here. But in case you missed this one, don't panic, we'll have other giveaways in the future, and who knows, maybe we'll be bringing some of that playful rivalry to another title from Blizzard. And there you have it, the Robeytech World of Warcraft Alliance build. And I love how it turned out, but let me know what you think. Number one, what would you change? Number two, why is the Alliance the better faction? And number three, what did you love about the build? Also, between the Horde and the Alliance builds, which one did you like better? Alliance! I would love to know all that in the comments below. Or you can jump over to our Discord server at discord.gg/Robeytech and let your voice be heard there. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more content like this, or better yet, hit that notification bell so you don't miss when these videos go live either at Robeytech or over at Robeytech Live. Thank you again to ASUS and Patriot for sponsoring this video, and as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next one.